Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into what's been hailed as the best home gym running machine out there, the Peloton Bike Plus. Hey everyone, today we're taking a deep dive into the Peloton Bike Plus. If you're like me, finding the perfect piece of exercise equipment for your home gym can be a challenge. But fear not, because the Peloton Bike Plus might just be the answer to all your fitness prayers. Let's kick things off by talking about what sets the Peloton Bike Plus apart from the rest. Not only does it boast a sleek design that'll elevate any home gym setup, but it's also packed with features that'll take your workouts to the next level. One of the standout features of the Peloton Bike Plus is its 24-inch HD rotating touchscreen. This isn't just any old screen, it's your portal to a world of immersive fitness experiences. Whether you're craving a high-energy spin class or a Zen yoga session, the Peloton Bike Plus has got you covered. And let's talk about resistance. With the Peloton Bike Plus, you have complete control over your workout intensity. Whether you prefer manual control or opt for the auto resistance feature, you can tailor your rides to suit your fitness level and goals. But here's where things get exciting, the Peloton app integration. With a Peloton All-Access membership, you'll unlock unlimited access to thousands of classes across multiple disciplines. From cycling and strength training to yoga and meditation, the possibilities are endless. So, there you have it folks, the Peloton Bike Plus. With its sleek design, immersive technology, and unparalleled variety of classes. It's no wonder why this machine is taking the home fitness world by storm. If you're ready to take your workouts to the next level, look no further than the Peloton Bike Plus. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy sweating!